We're looking at the integrated algebra regions from January of 2010. We're looking at number 7. Number 7 says, in the diagram below, what is the slope of the line passing through points A and B? Let's take a close look at the diagram below. Okay, so if we look at this graph, we'll see that we have this line, and this line has 2 points on it that have been labeled. That's A and B, and the question is asking us to find the slope. That's not a difficult thing to do. We know that the slope is always going to be the change in the y divided by the change in the x. When we talk about the change in the y, what we mean is how much does the y value have to change in order to take this point to this point. So we know that the y is the up and down. So let's count how much the y has to change for the A to go to the B. The y has to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a change in the y of a positive 4 because we went up. So we have that the change in the y is equal to 4. Now we need to find the change in the x. By the change in the x, we mean how much does the x value have to change when we go from this point to this point. Let's count the change in the x. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the change in the x, this is the change in the x, was equal to 8. And since I labeled the change in the x, how about if we label the change in the y also? So the change in the y was the up and down change. Here we have the change in the y, which we counted as 4. And we know that the slope is the change in the y divided by the change in the x, which we found to be 8. So the slope is 4 over 8, which of course can be reduced to 1 over 2. The slope of this line is 1 over 2. Let's see if that's in one of the choices. So if we go down here to the choices, we'll see that one of the choices that was given is 1/2. That is what we thought the slope should be, and so the answer for number 7 is 4.